Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will see how potentiometer controls the sound tones and buzzer, and we have programmed and showed in simulation using Tinkercad. You'll see in the rest of the tutorial. Now let's see how does it work. When I plug this, you see as I spin this around, I change the sound. Alright, so it's such a sound box controlled by the potentiometer. Now we can continue with Tinkercad. Let's see everything in simulation. First we will do circuits. We will write there Uno. When we write Uno, we will have the first breadboard that will come with the cables already. And we need to put here potentiometer. And also one buzzer. And we will make the connections. Remember, one side of the potentiometer goes to GND. Example, if the left side goes to GND, which means the most left will be considered as a value of 0, and while the most right is 1023. So the other side goes to plus, while the middle one goes to any digital points, analog points. We can go A1. So also in the piezo or buzzer, it goes the minus goes to minus, plus goes to the digital pins. So we can arrange its codes, okay? Arrange in tones actually. Now we can quickly go to codes. I will prefer the text and continue. So let me widen this a little bit so you can see better. First of all, we will introduce the variables that we are using. Example, piezo or buzzer. I will say B for this, alright? It's connected to digital pin 10, that's why I write pen. And our potentiometer, I will call him P, which is connected to A1, right? And I'm gonna need also another variable, a variable that's gonna get the value and read the value from the potentiometer. I will call this integer example A, okay? It's the start value gonna be 0. So the first we will introduce all the materials that we have. The B for the buzzer, it's output, right? I can copy and paste this. And now potentiometer is potentiometer is an input, right? Because it sends the signal to the system. And here we go, we will keep writing the codes here. And now I'm gonna say first we have to read the value from potentiometer and assign this value to the variable of A, right? We'll say A equal to, let's read the value from analog, read, so we're going to read the value from where? From what's connected to A1 potentiometer. So it's we introduce as a P with the initial. It's P, okay. And now all I need to do is if condition, I'm going to keep writing if and else conditions, else if. I say if A less than 50, okay, in the very first beginning, it will start with a sound. What kind of sound? So we will write the number of this. I'm gonna say tone. What was the buzzer name called? By the way, you can write here also with the numbers. You can write here 10 as well. But I will go with its initial, where I made a declaration on top B be in 300, or no, let's say 500 tones. By the way, the tones interval goes from the 0 to 65,000. You can decide, and then there will be the delay section, so it will keep playing this sound for 0.3 seconds. Okay, and we will keep writing else if, all right, in that case. So this part works as the value between 0 and 50, and as the value go over 50, it will check if there is any other conditions. Let's say if the value less than 300, okay, that means if your value bigger than 50 and less than 300, then we're gonna play another sound with different tone. Okay, I play this time with the 500. Okay, this time it will play the sound with 1500 while it was playing 500 in the previous statement. So as we spin this around, it's gonna play different sound. All right, that's what's gonna happen. By the way, as you see, I will keep repeating these codes. Only I need to change the statement condition and also tone value. As I repeat doing this, and every time I spin it around, it will sound different music. Let's do this here as well. I'd say 500 and 5,000. Okay, 2,500. I mean, so let's play this. Let's play it. Now, as the value is between 0 and 50, it sounds as something. It's changing, you see? Wow! It's like you have a broken radio and trying to find a signal to get help in the middle of the desert. So right now, I keep writing the codes. From here, I keep copy pasting this and changing the value. By the way, remember this value goes to 1023. I just keep increasing this 200 by 200, okay, and changing the value by 1000 by 1000. Very, very good. Now we'll copy paste this one more time. This time I say 1 1. All right, so it will go to. No, it should be 1023, right? So let's play this for the final time. So you can compose something. Sounds good, right? So, like a stress machine, stress removing machine, let's say. Alright, that was a project. I hope you enjoyed. Now you can see how we do in the real Arduino elements. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.